Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to eMix's online lesson, 3-minute lesson. Today, let's look at how we're going to help you understand whole numbers and how to say those. As we see on the whiteboard, we have many zeros, actually 15 zeros. Each of these zeros will represent a number to put into a whole digit. Looking at how we do this is by looking from the right side to the left side. Each of these three with a comma, 3 and a comma will have all different names. Let's first recognize those names. Our first three, we will use the word hundreds. Hundreds. Okay? Our next three, of course, we will use the words thousands. Thousands. Followed by the next three, we'll move on to the word millions. Millions. Focused on the next four is billions. Billions. And our last three, on the fifth one, we'll use the word trillions. Trillions. Let's help you with the pronunciations again. Hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, and trillions. Each of these will represent each three. Moving on to an example of just these three here, let's look at another way of understanding how to say the whole numbers. This part here, we'll use the word ones. This part here, we'll use the words tens. And our last part here, we'll use the word hundreds. Each of these will represent how to speak in a whole number. Let's take for an example a number 5. So as a single or as a ones, we just say 5. Simple. We move on to the second digit. Let's say we're going to use the letter 3. So we put it together, 35. Moving on, let's just take it at 7. Now we know the 7 would be here. Of course, that is the hundreds. So 735. But now, moving on to the thousands, let's just put 3 more digits. And here we'll have 983,735. 983,735, comma. Now we're moving on to this 3, and we understand this 3 will be millions. Let's just put some numbers up here. This would be spoken as 508,983,735. Moving on to our next one, again, just some digits. We move on to the word billions. Here we have 412 billion, 508 million, 983,735. And our last three, again, just mixing it up. This will be trillions. Pronunciation, trillions. 478 trillion, 412 billion, 508 million, 983,735. This would be the correct form of speech. Now, you might have heard me use the word and. That is by choice. between here, you often can use the word and. Most popular is in this area, 735, but it is also common to use 478 trillion, 412 billion. That's by choice. So again, I hope this helps you to understand how to use whole numbers. Let's practice. Thank you very much.